Does your resume matter? Yeah. So people will often ask, oh, what should I put on my resume? Like it's the most important thing when it comes to going in for a job interview. Yes, resume matters to some degree, especially if you're working in AAA, though in indie it doesn't matter at all. But the things you put on your resume don't matter as much as, say, your cover letter if you are applying for a AAA position. So make sure your cover letter isn't a copy-paste sort of thing where you're just sending it to thousands of companies. Make sure it's really specific to that one, and there's tons of resources online to write a cover letter. Make sure it has emotion, make sure you're talking to them specifically, and make sure you're talking about how you're excited to be applying for that position. Granted, having a resume and even a good cover letter is only a small part of the process. Ideally, you've done a lot of networking even before going into the job interview or even applying for the job so that people know you already and can already trust you. The job interview is, in some sense, a formality. In a lot of situations, I've actually never needed a resume. Even when I worked on Destiny, they called me directly. I didn't need to send anything in. That doesn't mean you should never apply for any jobs. You totally should. That process can work, but a lot of people will hire the people that they know, like, and trust, which is why networking is so important. So if you enjoyed that game audio FAQ, please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell so you get notified, literally what every other YouTuber on the planet tells you to do. And also sign up for my newsletter where I give you access to 2 free courses that'll teach you how to work, negotiate, network, and get paid in the game industry.